Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. There we go. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Yeah. It works. There we go. Disable that. There we go. Awesome. Disable that. Yeah. So today is gonna be faceless cam. Because I feel like, yeah, we're gonna do just some basic programming today. I'm gonna create a, well, I have created a, well, it is in the progress right now. I'm gonna create a vehicle simulation tool for C++, which then can be translated. Is that how you pronounce it? Translated to translated to C# and Unity and Unreal. So it's gonna be 3 wrappers. I'm not sure about Python right now, but definitely 3 wrappers for Unity, Unreal, and C#. Currently I'm creating the base, which is C++. So yeah, today I'm gonna pick up some code and let's see if I can put it today. The problem is that I need a lot of research, and so currently the project structure is not working as how I wanted. So I need to redefine some couple things about that. Also, I need my paper. Let's see. Let's also turn this actual computer not messing with me. Okay, paper. But this is more functionality of the vehicle simulation, so it's nothing to like. So I don't want to have the abstraction with, for example, the headlights of a car. It's more about the actual like physics, calculation of the car, like fuel consumption and like that. So I have written over here, yeah, differential logic. That we can do. I have some reference which I'm just gonna open here. This project after learn. So okay. So this is, I believe, Union, which is a game engine that I tried. I'm just gonna look up some code latest. We go transfer. So we can write a basic transfer. Can I not dock? Yes. Huh. Windows docking with OBS doesn't seem. The proportion of the scale is. Can I there's no way to minimize. Okay, so I'm gonna go to transfer case. Let's do components over here. So the naming convention, I have still not decided what naming convention I want to do, because over here I have car data, database, which we don't want to look at right now. Tire data, engine data. So I have a lot of data, and we have an error over here. Yeah, great. There's so many errors and a problem with this project, so that will be fun. But yeah, so we have car data, and I believe I'm gonna create the transfer struct transfer case. I'm gonna use naming convention like Unreal has, the F this. I can just do this. Name drifter. Go. Okay, there we go. Can scale it up a little bit. Public. So we're gonna have lower gear, low gear ratio, high gear. Sure. Oh, interesting. We're gonna have a distribution. I believe this is incorrect. Okay. There we go. Bias. There we go. We're gonna have a constructor for this. Like so. Let's put it like this. Let's just put one. No. There we go. Yep. Can also do tire over here. So, like, can I do this? No, I can't. I don't know why, like, Visual Studio has problem with, like, C++ project. I can understand it's, like, lower code, but come on. You have a bunch of years to fix this shit, but... So we want a mass. A radius. And the question is, do I want a width? Because the width is only used for a 3D collision. And the problem is, do I want to calculate 3D collision inside this project? Should that be the game engine stuff? Like that is the question, you know. We have radius. Let's just do it now. Then we have in their version, they have suspension inside the braking, dampening friction. Okay, so think I'm gonna do a do I have, no I don't. I'm gonna do another one called suspension there. class API suspension data. Drifter include or like so public. Over here we can have some stuff. Do I have written down? I believe I have not. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Yeah, no. And I don't believe I have like this on top of my head. So. Maybe I have to search on Google. Because, well, I have a code base. I can search for the code base instead. But I have not written down in my paper. So the question is where I have written down this. It said in maybe this. We have we have extension. Which is just this. And it's just that, yeah. We don't have any. I want to look at this. Oh, okay, opened up. Okay. Yep. Okay. So the question is because I'm so stupid sometimes because I had created so much golden scripts that I don't keep track of what is the correct script or code I have written down or what is the wrong one. I have just to search through all the codes, which is a terrible idea. Here it has suspension data. Maybe is where the component. Yeah. Nope. Where the hell did I delete that code? Is it on the wheel extension? No. Oh, don't say me this is not updated. Yeah, so this is, yeah. So I am text file, or not the CS file. Which ironic. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so this is, yeah, there we go. So we want, yeah, we want float stiff, spring stiffness, float damper, damper rebound. Now in Unity version I had a curve. The problem is that C++ doesn't have a, or native C++ doesn't have a curve. I'm wondering if there's any like GitHub repository for that. No, because like C++ doesn't have an editor. It has this, but it doesn't have, like, you can't drag points. maybe I couldn't do with like JSON and stuff, but come on. Yeah, I don't think there's any tool for that. You have this in curve, not exactly what I want. So there's there's a C++ Bayesian curve, the library, which could be interesting. Start first. Don't find any. I had to look up that layer. But we have this. And yeah. The stiffness, then depending on what unit we want to have this. I have downloaded a unit include. And this is, you don't want to show that yet, but I need to check that. I believe it's units.hp. Okay. So we have that problem. But yeah, I have installed that, so I just need to install stuff in order to use that. So we have this. I believe that's really we have to. We probably want like. What's another word for? Did not have a code base for this. Just gonna. There we go. I guess yes there. Anyway, yeah. So yeah. So currently we're just gonna have that right now. The entire data we want this. We want to F suspension data. Suspension. And we need to include this. So components suspension there. So here we can modify its suspension, all kind of stuff. So this we want const. Because this we don't want to change. And the question is, do I want to put const? Because then I need to do this in the constructor if I want to change this. But for sake of, I can use this. Then we're going to use the compression and previous compression. Like so. Then in entire data we need to do like this. Then we need to create a constructor for that as well. And yeah, we can do like this instead. Right, so and so and so. Well, let's just do this. Din 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 da. There and there. We want this. And we want that. This. Like so, we can also make this a little bit fancier. Like so. And then we want compression to be 0. And the preview compression. And this is important because we need to check then if we have initialized this. Let's do that later on. So here we can now specify. Here we can say like this, and do suspension. And then do like this. That's a weird looking code, but it works like that. There we go. So if we want to create a wheel or tire, we have that. And over here we want 4 wheels. Over here we want oblique. From the left wheel. We want to include components. So we can call this fire. We have the naming perfectly. Oh, fire. Like so. Then we want left, front, left. Right, rear left, rear right. And we can have a constructor. And we're gonna have a math. Mass. Let's do inertia. So I believe we need to import that. It doesn't work, so I need to fix that somehow. What do we need else? Maybe drag code. Yeah, like so. And then we have the mass drag. So to new. And over here we can just do like, and we can't because this it doesn't have an empty constructor. Let's do that. And we're just gonna do suspension. And it doesn't have an empty constructor. Can we not? Why did I do this? I don't need to do that. Weird. Suspension equal like so. And oh, but this wait, this is not const. Function cannot be referenced, deleted, the deleted function. Okay. But can I do this though? No. Why am not allowed to do this? But this is an empty constructor, I get that, but let's do this. So why am I not allowed to do this? Is it seriously because of this? Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, katana. I need to do this instead of this, yeah. Gotcha. Like so. Let's copy this then and do this and do this. But the problem is if we don't initialize this over here. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the problem with cons. So I believe we're gonna change that not to use cons because then we're gonna have that problem, which is not great. Let's just do this. Yeah. And this, we don't need to do that anymore. And like so. And over here we can remove you. Maybe like yeah, like okay. I don't know why I removed the damn thing when I wanted back. Here we go. Then the mass. Float, mass, float, radius. New mass, new radius. Depot constructor, yeah. And we're just gonna set this to empty. Zero. I just want to copy this again because I want this. There we go. And then we need to create an empty constructor for that as well. So, and this should be just zero everything. Like so. Perfect. Tutorial data, yeah, perfect. Your car data, yeah, perfect. Now we can do this. And then we can do like so. And then we're gonna do a pointer left. Do like this. Like so this is gonna be right. We are left. We are right. And then we're just gonna dereference that. And why is that not working? Because we are getting the reference, right? Do we have to do this? Yeah. So I don't get a. Oh, because we're setting the copy. Yeah. Okay. I got it. Yeah. If I did this, this will. But then I need to do it like that. Okay. Yeah. But then can I pass in like this? No, I can't. What is like into search up? The reference. Because I know that if we use ampersand, we're getting the memory address. But why can we not assign this? Like, why is this? And they shouldn't be struct. And you should also be struct. And this is struct. Oh. Struct. The address operator can be used with the L value, such as variable. The left value. This doesn't explain. You know what? Let's ask the smallest person in the world. Chat GPT. Like Chat GPT is so like sometimes it can give you the wrong answer, but it's so damn good for like helping you. Difference in use between the address. Yes. Okay. Let's see. The address operator is getting the memory address of the variable, while dereferring is a operator pointer. It's used to access the value stored at the memory representing the pointer. The pointer operates. The pointer operator is used to get the memory address of the variable working on pointer variable, while dereferring operator is used to get the value stored at the memory. But if I assign, so I should only use reference. Because I believe I'm using the wrong logic. Yeah. So I'm using the wrong. Well, we can store this as a pointer, but this is gonna be a copy. Do we want to store a copy? No, we don't. So we want this as a pointer, and we have to remember to delete that. Yeah. Let's do this new. So, and then we can just assign this. There we go. Then in this deconstructor, F or down. Oh shit. Wait. Oh no. Oh shit. Because this is now. Because I don't know how I want to use this. Because let's say a system over here. I'm just gonna do one. Because okay, let's say I'm gonna create a we have physics. Awesome. Let's say I'm gonna use this then. So we wanna do void. How do I type this in? Sim engine. Okay. So sim. Over here we want a float delta time. And then we want reference because we want to modify. So car data. Car. And then we need to include this components. Like so. And we can just do this. Now the problem with this is once this variable get out of scope, it's gonna call this structure, and this is not good because this has a pointer, so we don't want to use this as a pointer. And can we store this as a reference? I believe not. Okay. This is gonna get a copy, and then we need to dereference because oh yeah, this is dug a great hole for me today. Because if we simulate this, let's say we want to calculate the forces for each wheel or tire. So let's do that as well. So we can do combat over here. Down below we do void sim tire. So delta time. F tire data. Like so. Over here we simulate that tire. Yeah. Over here we can do some stuff. We can do forces. So we want longitudinal. I believe this is spelled incorrectly. Yep. So force. Arrow force aligning. Like so. Line torque we want to have low angle. That's the angle. and angle. And we want to have I got that. So. Like so. I use you only need to see this. Window cap. Here we go. And now you have a nice way to look at. There you go. We have this. There we go. The angle, steer angle. And is the volume? No, it's just I need to have my mic closer. There we go. So we have this as well. And yeah. Here we go. So I gained the mic 3 decibel. And I'm gonna see if the sound is different now. Okay. So we have this, right? Stay angle to angle, cast angle, yep, all these angles. Then over here we can do longitudinal force. This here. Lateral force. And aligning. Okay. Because now we want to do some calculation. And over here, and the tire data, we also want a tire model. Model. And we just want to use so the model. We want 3. But why can I not use but I'm not allowed. Wait, who has the tire model? It's just the tire data, yeah. And yeah, this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, right. But so I can't store this. I can inherit this, but I can't store this. Oh my god. I can use this into like over here. So I can, yeah. Let's just do in this then. So I want tire. So we want to remove this, and we want to add to this. Okay. And over here in the class we can use this, the forward declaration. So over here now we can do calculate. Why can't we use we're for real? But wait, how does that work? Can I just do this and this? How does that work? The okay. Because okay, yeah. There we go. So not you, but this. So here we have this, right? Okay. And actually we don't want to, well, we want to get copy, but we can't do this because this is not const, right? If I remove this and this, why the hell am I not accessing that? Oh, I'm stupid. I'm real stupid today. Yep. There we go. So this is okay, but if I have now, who's this, if I have now const over here, is this allowed? No, so I need to have this, and because I don't want to make a copy, I simply just do this. But this is time model. This is an interface, yeah. It's like so. So now we're here, I can access this. Like so. And this should, yeah, okay. And if we go back, this. You should do const like so. Or not const. Well, no. We want this. And we don't want to modify its variable over here, so we can do this. So then we want to do like so. And then const, not over there, but over here, const, and I believe, like so. And why the hell does, god damn it, drifter. So, down there. Let's separate that. So, and so, and this have this. Let's do this. Yeah, so why is no. Okay, so shit. Well, we want actually, yeah, sorry, we want salt like this. Then this. And yeah. Which, yeah, so we don't want this to be modified at all either. So let's just do that. Let's go to do that. So, because this is almost, you know, this is now okay. Good. We do some calculation over here, blah blah blah. Perfect. And over here we have this. We need the slip ratio, and we need the normal false fire. Normal. We're gonna just do this. Calculate ladder force, normal force, slip angle, tire, camber angle. Like so. Then over here we can close you, and here we in the tire we need this. Normal force, slip ratio, slip angle. Like so. And this can be 0 for now. So now we're calculating the forces that's acted upon the tire. And then we have this to do. Create separate thread. And do the 6 calculation. So if I let's check this pass. We shouldn't do different. So yep. Actually, yeah. And then we need to assign some work. And we can't do that. So yeah. Then over here, then yeah. Then now we have journal. Yeah. Cool. So we need to either do lambda. Well. So we want to do like this, scope like this. So over here we can now simulate a tire or first delta tire. And so we need so we need to capture variables. Wish there was a quick guide of this. Oh man, I tried to search on like 3 different websites on the quick guide. There's like so many hats and nonsense getting the answer. So leave like this. Yeah. So now the car. We want the tire. But the problem is we don't have the access to tire model. This is a problem, but if we just do this and do a new tire model, we can't even do that. Yeah, because this is okay. Tire. Okay. Yeah, so if I use delta on my car like so. Now I'm allowed to, yeah. But the problem we don't have that. We can't, like, can we not just do this? No, because yeah, it's an abstract cat. So like, yeah. Either we integrate this into the tire data. Okay, let's just do, because I'm trying to figure out ways to do it, but I can't right now. And I can't do this as well. God damn it. Can I, let's say, cast? Can I do this just for testing now? Oh, so I dig a hole for myself here too. Can I, so I can't pass in like null pointer and something like that. The inclusion disk cannot be a reference unless it caps the list. What does this mean? Because if I do this, I do now. We could do another time model over here. Let's just do let's remove this and this. Time model like so. This will not work. No. Because we need to specify include components, no, models, time models, there we are. Here we go. And then we have how to time model. Okay, then we can add constructor. Over here. We can assign some variable later on. Let's just do that. So now this works. Yeah. So now we have created a new friend that's calling this, which is simulating this. And yeah, so let's just do. We need to do like this. Yep. And we create a new friend. Left, right. Rear left. Rear right. Alt right. Rear left. Rear right. Let's just do like so. There we go. So now we have a creating 4 separate threads for calculating the 4 wheels. How many I have? So if I open this up, select the performance time. Yep. Look for cores and processor. So I have 4,420 threads. That's a lot. That's a lot of threads. That's currently I'm using for 30% of my CPU. So I wonder how many threads that's possible. I just wanna pick up this then. CPU threads. Just searching up some stuff. But yeah, so I have created a new friend, which will calculate this. Very simple for now, but yeah. Let's call this creating separate friend for each tire and doing some physics calculation. There we go. So we're simulating this. Yeah. Now we're doing that, and then we can do some. Well, we are dependent on the calculation of the forces, because this is not telling us it should be done. Red. Because then is, if we call join, then it's blocking the mainframe, which is this is calling on. We could do yeah, no, because we want to add the forces. So yeah, we can do float output. How do we do this? We can do list of forces that being added. Yeah. So we're creating a bunch of forces at this particular position. We can read that from, yeah. Let's do that. So like so. How do we want to do this? Maybe just close down some stuff for here. Let's do it here for now. So a struct output physics output. Tire physics output. And there should be have vectoring or so public. So let's call this tire output. So position, velocity, force. So this is the only we care about now. And then over here, we want to add this to the car. The car. Like so. Go US one. So we're here, we're gonna then add, then we're gonna have this tie up list. So we're gonna have, let's take you, this, yeah, so let's just do, what we call this? Tire output. Let's see, yes, yeah. Yeah. Tire up. Oh, struct. Let's just paste this over here. And include like so. And then we have like so. And we also want cool. So now we have that, yeah. Inside of this, we want a list. So we want a vector of this. Six states, tire states. Output state. Output state. Tire outputs. Let's just call that for now. Let's do include components. So over here, we can now say car. And then we want to push this insert, then is push. And then we're gonna create then F tire output there. There. And we want to include this. We can remove this. Why? Yeah. So here we have output. Oh, because yeah. Yeah, let's just do quickly because I just want to try this out. It's Y and Z. So now we're here, we have, yeah. So now we can do some adding in forces. So forces over here and doing assigning some stuff. And let's say so we're applying some force and then we're adding to this. Then on here, we want to clear. So every time, every frame that we are running this, we are clearing this. Actually, we want to add the force to the car. So we want to have output force velocity plus position. Did I do? Yeah. Yes, like so. So now we have that kind of state over here. Force. Let's do gravity. So then for const higher const auto tire outputs. So over here we do some adding, we do some calculations to add forces and position, add forces to the car. Then after we had done that, we're clearing everything that's been added. Then we're creating a separate thread which has this, and we're doing the same thing over again. So we're clearing the things that have been pushed into it. Then so we okay, let's just think this as logic as possible. So I have to have a big brain for this now. So every time this function is called, it's running every frame. So let's say 60 FPS. So that's equal to 1 divided by 60, which is which is roughly 16 milliseconds, right? There's roughly 16 milliseconds. But every frame we're doing this. So we're looking for tire outputs. We don't have currently, let's say in this example, we don't have any outputs right now. We don't have anything, so it's gonna clear. Then we're gonna create a separate frame. These threads are not gonna, they can be calculated independently, so it doesn't affect this thread. So let's say we go and it's calculating. And say the next frame is we say for example this is still calculating. So we're looking for any outputs. If we find any outputs, we add to that. Otherwise we clear. Then let's say one is done. We go to next frame. One is done. We give an outputs. One is done. We're adding the velocity, the forces, all that kind of stuff. Then we're clearing. But this should not be like dependent on like we don't have to stop the main we don't have to stop this thread to work on the main thread in order to this work. I hope this logic works. I hope. Yeah, so we're creating a thread which getting all the variables from here, calculating some stuff, then returning into this list, and then we are calculating over here. Yeah. And once this got out of scope, believe me, so once the friend goes out of scope, I have to look into that more. But for now, for me, it makes sense. But I don't know if this is right or wrong. I have to look into this a little bit more. So we're doing that, and I don't know if we need force and position, because position and velocity We only need to use those because forces doesn't really matter because it's basically the same as this. You just need to convert some variables, but yeah. So probably what I'm gonna do now is start actually fixing the linking issues with this, which is annoying. Personally, we can create this simply. This is very easily. So there we go. Data. So class struct. Sorry. Data. And your API. Drifter include dot h public. Let's just copy some stuff here. Well, we only need those two things, really. And this includes this, which we have this, yeah. So this type, and final. We just want to use this instead. So a constructor, like so. Can do like this. We want to remove this, and like so. Like so. So we're creating like this then, yeah. Perfect. So we have this. I believe we can close this. Yeah. Yep. I want to use size and frontal, like so. Drag and was left. Yeah, left. Coefficient, like so. I believe that's it. Yeah, so let's start the linking issue. This is gonna be my nightmare for me. So I have this, right? The way I've structured the project was never the best idea. Let's see. So I'm gonna see here. So I have okay. So just making sure this is called yep. Units dependency, yes. Include directory, yes. So this is currently messing up with me. So what I'm gonna do, currently disable this. So this is a test library, so I can test my library. But currently this is messing up with me, so I'm gonna just disable this. Okay, so let's close this one. I'm gonna open up with this. So there we go. So now I'm gonna just remove. Whoop. Like so. There we go. I'm gonna regenerate the project. Oh shit. Right, shit. Okay. It makes sense. It doesn't upload that to GitHub. Copy you. Here. Now we should generate a project. Anyway, let's open this up and see what's wrong. We don't have tester anymore. Yep. This is yep. So the way I have structure is a little bit weird, right? So this is the structure. So I'm gonna look into the side here. So we have bin. Oh, for God's sake, man. Okay, so I have an issue. Yeah, remake over here. Let's close this one so I don't have this open. So bin. Okay. Okay, it should be right. Let's build this. But it's, yep, it's gonna be a couple hours. Okay. Let's remove this for now. Yep, and okay, dependency units. Oh my, oh Christ's sake. Okay, yeah, I see what this issue is. It hasn't imported the Git module, sub module. Yes, okay. Git fetch. Sub module. Okay, let's do it. CMD. There we go. There we go. Yeah, now everything should work now. So let's try update this now. Reload. And build this. And everything should work, yeah. So now we get this shit. Now we need to deal with this shit. Okay. So we have a bunch of errors from that. I'm gonna use like this. Okay. The brother. And build this. I believe we're gonna get some arrow. Yep. Because we are not including the right. So we want to do this. Disable this line first of all. Include units. Like so. And include JSON. Okay, that won't show up. The Windows stuff. Okay. So that worked, but the Windows the JSON stuff doesn't. Dependency JSON include. So let's do include. Oh wait, can it be because of include? Yeah. Right. Okay, so yeah, let's then use single include. Single. Like so. This is, yep. So why the hell are we getting Windows? A bunch of Windows stuff. Oops. Now we should be able to do JSON. And we could do yeah, let's just change this as well, like so. So we need to do like this. For being consistent. So, yeah, there we go. So let's try to build this. We're gonna get, yep, get that. So why we are getting this then? Let's. Why are we getting this? I'm gonna check 1 second. Oh man. So this person has created their own like units system. I don't want to use this, but this seems to have a lot of issues. I believe it's because of my problem. Can we ignore? So if you do like that, there we go. And we also want to create. Shit. Yeah. There we go. Just like this. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So, okay. Ah. I think so. Yep. I believe that should be. As there is some issue going on with that. I believe I'm using units in the wrong way, but let's see, include. You see it? My god. Oh well. Oh shit. Okay, let's try this then. Only one. Okay, let's just disable that. Yep. So the question is, should this include like so? This will be you then. Because we are using over here units, yeah. So let's just disable all these structure. Is it still running? Yep. Cancel. Oh shit. Cancel. Let's use that for now. Run. Yep. Whoops. It works. Why is it warning over here? It's no 11. What? Okay. Okay. So it worked, but yeah. Okay, cool. I want to change this output directive because I don't want it over here like this. I just want like this. But the problem is, if I'm using another project like this tester, which is a unit tester, I need to copy the DLL. So that is like one question I need to know how to do that. Currently we don't need this. Let's save it right now. So I need to read up on that. The remake. Let's include that so I have some reference later on. Specify a list of libraries and projects to link against. When linking against another project in the same workspace, specifically the project. Okay, but command tokens. You can use this build command. So I'm so confused why we want to copy DDR if we are already linking. Okay. So okay. So we want a project name. We want to remove that. What we want over here. We want output directory to be, because now it's gonna get in the bin the same directory as this. So therefore we need to have this folder to separate, right? And this target directory cannot be we could make a folder for that. Like so. Like so. So oops. So we are making a build folder for that folder. Then we are copying this. Oops. This. Copying this. To the bin. To this. To tester. Yes. And we're including drifter stores. Including this, including that, and including that, yeah. But we shouldn't have to include those in order to use this. We need to include... Do we need to include directory? We don't. Yes, so we can read it. Touch up right back.
Hey, what's up, guys?
So let's see. So here we have, this is just searching for the source directory. Yep. We are including the source and some other stuff. It's just we're including what it needs to have in order to work. we're linking to this project. I believe this should work. Let's see. It might not work. Let's see. Yes. So we can see over here. It's linking everything. Yep. Yes. Yes. Reference. Yes. So this should work. We're getting a bunch of warning messages. Can we disable that? We can't. That didn't work. Okay. So let's see over here. This is into tester which doesn't exist. And I believe it's because we need to make this startup project in order to close this. And compile this. Yeah, and succeed but 1.5 fail. It does know the file over here. Oh, okay, that's weird. Yeah, let's see over here then. So, dependency. Yeah, it should work. Okay. I have included this. Jesus. I believe we need to go. Just gonna check real quick. So let's type in include. And let's see. let's skip that now. Okay, so we have this. Okay, let's see. So we have this, yes, this work, yeah. Yes. Okay, let's see. Then we go down over here. Okay, let's include this as well. Okay. I believe that was the issue. Yeah. So if we do like that then. And this, there we go. Reload like this. And compile. Now we have that issue. This is because drift, which we are using. Yeah, okay, I see. I see. And we're also using this, yeah. And now it makes sense. Okay. And over here we are. Because the question is, where do we add? Because the problem is, where do we wanna include this? So I have core.h, which simply export this. And we can also do over here. So this is our predefined header like this. This is framework. Yeah. Yeah, we don't need that actually. But yeah, we can have that for later on. uh, so we have this, right? I'm just searching stuff. Just in case need to know. Because I'm a little bit lost, right? Okay, so this is, yeah. Over here we only build this if we want to. And this include this. We don't. No, so we want to use this in pre-compile header, right? The only problem is that now we don't have access, so we close this one. Let's say not that. Yeah, let's say that one. So now we don't have this because this is pre-compile header. Pre-compile header. We need a so we're here because if we include this drifter.h, yeah, now we can remove this because everyone includes core.h, but the problem is now this requires this. These libraries, even if we don't use them. Which contains a bunch of this. So we generally want to use this And I believe there's no other like header file, only header file. I believe now. Vi kunde do like do a what's it called? Redefine whatever. But I like to have this so you can see over here. This is just type diff, so they still include a lot of stuff. We could do that in the CPP. Include, yeah, I believe we're gonna do that instead. So over here, include this, but in here, the quarter age, drifter there. We want to have worked like so. There we are. So now this should work, right? Tell me this works. This works. So now we're here in tester. We include in drifter age, but we are not including the rest of it. Now we need to include this. So right here we can do include. And then we have this. And we also want to use JSON as well. So let's include that. That. That's JSON, yep. And that's read. I believe this should also work, so include JSON. It's not JSON, what is it? It's this one. Oh, JSON, there we go. Did I page? Oh, pages. This one. Yeah, there we go. I included the right one. So now we're here, there should not be any error. Yep, it's working perfectly. Yes. Cool, and yes. And we are including drifter age, which is just some stuff. Yep. We can remove you. And this should also work now. And it works! Yay! I'm so happy. Okay, there we go. Finally! It took some time. God damn. Can we exclude a project if it's remake exclude project? Can we do that? Oh, we can. Cool. So we're here in release. We just want to do kind on. Awesome. Configuration debug. We don't want any there. And kind should be like that, yeah. We could set the kind as well over here. instead of using this. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Well, let's do that. And there we go. So now if we want to release it, we don't want to include that because it's only testing purposes. We should not use that for that. So go to release and can we do it? It should be on debug then, like so. If we do that again, there we go. I guess if we do clean, then do this. Will this work? You should. Yeah, there we go. So exclude tester. It still as the file, not file, folder. Tester. We make yeah, it worked sort of, like worked, but it's still hidden because it worked, but it created a folder still, which is annoying. But it doesn't contain anything, which is nice. Yeah, so if we will try to release it, we are not gonna release with the tester built with it. Awesome. And if we do debug, like so. Actually, okay, so we're gonna link in error. So this is like the annoying thing with this. Okay. Because it didn't exist before. We have that issue. But if you see over here now, we have this in debug, and this is working. The DLL has copied into this. But I still would like to have like the bin folder instead of here into here. Just copy. I believe we can do that, but I don't know how good this is, because this target directory is very weird, because I don't know, it's root for some reason. By default, the generated product files will place the compile output same directory as target directory. So this will be placed at root, so we could go inside the folder. So let's try that and see how it does. We need to do like so. Like so. Then we can remove this. Remove this. Then we need to copy this. So this is into the bin folder. We need to do tester over here. Tester bin. So like so. So this goes outside the bin folder. Now it goes to the root directory and tester and bin and over here, yeah. Yeah, so let's try this one. I might screw this up, but let's see. Debug, yep. The dynamic debug, yep. Yeah. So now it worked, yep. So we go into tester. Yes. Yeah, so it worked. So we could remove the naming convention. Oh, actually, let's save that. So yeah, so it worked. Okay, good. Now we have separating the files. So if we look over here, so this is the root. We have bin, we have debug, we have this, and this is just the files. Perfect. Then we go into tester. It has a bin folder which has the same structure with the DLL copy. We make copy. Make. Yeah, I need to read up. But yeah, it worked. So now I'm gonna try this. So we have this, which is just basic code. So I just wanna try simple to do. I don't think we can print out stuff. Let's just do assert is not null pointer. Hello. Like so. Yes, false. We Okay, I see, I see. It needs to be template, yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah, I see. Yes. So we can go to test, explore. This is gonna compile. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, compile. And then you're gonna give us some test. Tester failed. Yes, allow test. It works. Awesome. Awesome. Real awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool. So this is just include some stuff. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's check that one out. So if I do include, yeah, we'll still get these. What the hell are these? Units. We want to go inside units. Okay. But then, and this is units, units, units. Yeah. Units. Let's check that one out then. That. So we want units then. Yeah. That's a little bit annoying, but sure. Because we don't want to include a bunch of files. We only want the folder for that. So we drop this one now. We're gonna have some issues then because we are using the, well, currently we don't using the units folder or include, but yeah, the CMake was there. Yeah, so this is the problem. I don't want to see all the bunch of stuff, but the problem is I'm just gonna get a single, I'm just gonna get some files. I'm not gonna get some folder for that, but I don't want to see CMake. You could exclude. No, we don't want to do that, do we? I was gonna say exclude some files, but yeah, no. Reload, there we go. Now if I do include, we only get this detail. Where is this coming from? Okay, yeah. Because now we're getting everything like this. Instead of folders. So this is like, I don't want to say Gmake folder, but I don't also want like separate files like this. This is so like, this is so important to have a proper font structure. Again. Yeah, we can have like this then. And I believe this is not gonna work now because, yeah. We have this is using core, which is using drifter, yeah. And we don't want to include this. I'm just gonna create this definition. There we are. Do we have some stuff? Oh, return, yeah, gotcha. And I believe RPMs. Why are you complaining? So this is where, like, why are they complaining? Okay, RPMs. RPM. Ooh, that's... We should not have... Or should we? We should have inline. Okay. No definition inline function. Okay, let's close you and do like so. Let's just do this. Whoops. Copy this and do this. Zip, zip, zip. So again, now it's much better. Perfect. Okay, we included this, yep. Awesome. Much better. Much better. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much done today. There's so many functions and like system and all that kind of stuff that I need to implement. But the problem is that it's gonna take a while and I need to do some little bit research in order to add this. Yeah. Everything is like... It's going great, currently. Let's do physics utility. Class. Physics utility. This should be source. And we can't do that. Like so. So public. So. Oh, cool. H. There we go. So now we can do, for example, I believe vector tree. Calculate mass. Calculates mass from point. And we're gonna do some stuff over here. Roads. Like so. We don't want this. We just want this. Awesome. We can do some other stuff like calculate pressure. Like so. This will do something. We just want this. There we are. I don't think we there's more to do. We could have. Actually, I'm wondering if I'm gonna use this or the system. So this is also another way. Should I use utility or system? Because I believe the system should probably just simulate the stuff. And they should calculate stuff. Maybe. I need to decide on top of how the architecture should be laid out. Yeah. Could create. And let's create a no one. Call actual class. Tire utility. Inertia. Right, calculate time. And there we go. Yeah, I believe this is for today. Yeah, everything is working fine. One thing we can actually do just to try something out real quick. Is to compile Oxify. You can do that as the last thing. Yeah. So just gonna check so everything is working fine with this. Yes, perfectly. We can close this one. Okay, so let's open up this. Oxygen, the file. Okay. And let's check it out. Index. Oh, because I changed, yeah, the location. Oops. Open. We can just say, well, this is not great to use that. The problem is actually we have a source file folder, but yeah. Then we're gonna save this and run it. And now we should have, yeah, much stuff. Cool. As a namespace, also we can open up, I can close this now. You can open up, I believe. Ooh, where are you? You are leave object browser. Yeah. So now we can see the namespace over here. We can see this. Okay. Is on the namespace. Okay. Otherwise, this. That is weird. Anyway, so we have this. Okay, so I believe this is just a bug or something else. But yes, we have this. Oh, this kind of stuff. We could add namespaces in order to separate these. They're much cleaner to look at. Yeah, real awesome. So yeah, overall, add more logic in separating the code a little bit more, adding more namespaces if I want to, better folder structure and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's working, and yeah, awesome. We can see here files, list, drifter. So we have all these kind of classes. So a driving mode, normal, sports, profile 1, custom preset. So here we have light mode, which is low beam, high beam. So we wanna, yeah, so we have this. So actually we want to move this. Because this we still want to use, because So we want to remove this, but we want to use custom raw equals raw yeah, we need to do it like this. So it can either be raw or custom. So this is how we can drive, because, well, yes, I want you to have, like, for example, eco sports and all that kind of stuff. That is for the car manufacturer to set it up. So we don't want to, for example, we are assembling the car, so we don't want to specify the eco mode if it's going to use 20% less of fuel or 10% or something like that. But this is, so we can't really set it over here. I wish we can, but I want this to be abstract as possible, so we don't want to include this as well. However, we want to include this because we want to check if the engine is electric or internal combustion or something else. This we want to include, this we want to include, this, yes. And this as well. So we know what surface we are on. Yes. And yes. And yes. So now we have a better understanding. We have vector 3. Interesting. Nav utility. Cool. And we have fuel sim, which just include this. Let me see. Oh, we just see this. Okay. Cool. And data bus. So I'm gonna include this as well, data bus. So this is how the car can talk to other components like speedometer, tachometer, audiometer, and for other position, engine speed, engine load, engine temp, and all that kind of stuff. So if you wanna look up engine load, you need to address this this memory address, and then you can look up this, which is pretty cool. We go to data, but oh, session. Let's just be more specifically about it. Engine load, engine temperature. Let's just do that. LCS. Temperature. Engine. like so. Do we have more specification? There we are. So now we can look up some stuff. I'm curious why it doesn't complain about not having a body. I don't know. Let's just have the variant on ordered map. And this is yeah, we need to include that. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching this live stream. Oh cool, you can see over there. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do right now. So I'm not sure if I'm like gonna do a lot of stuff with this. Oh. Where the hell is this? Is this? I'm assuming this. Yeah, we can remove you. Yeah. Awesome. And if he switches to release mode. Works and static. Let's do deeper than static. Release. And we get an error, yay. Limp. Oh, actually. Okay. I believe we need to do that. Okay, so we have 1 hour. Okay, let's see. Library. There's nothing else that changes. Why is this not working though? Oh yeah, I forgot. Well, we changed that to remove the folder. God damn it, man. Sometimes I'm very slow today. There we go. Success. Yeah. And then we're gonna switch on to release mode. And you should skip the tester. Yay. And we can see over here we have been static library debug. Yes. Release. Yes. And go to tester. Bin dynamic library. Let's copy the DLL. Static library. Let's copy the lib folder, lib file. Release, nothing release. Awesome. I'm unsure why it creates the folder, but you know, it works. And I believe we can do debug, then do test. Yes, awesome. But that works also. Cool. Yeah, everything works. So both dynamic and static library. Awesome. So once I have completed everything, and the whole point is you're gonna use that as a library if you want to use for creating vehicle simulation. So like I said before, I'm planning on to enable this to, for example, Unity, Unreal, and C# version. I'm gonna create a wrap of those, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, but hopefully, because the awesome is static library is awesome, but the only problem is that you can only use that in C++. Whereas if you want to use that in C#, there's no way, because C#, well, is based on the C++. It cannot do a C++ native code. So the only way to link between those is to use dynamic library. Therefore I need to compile for dynamic library. But with C++, for example on Unreal, you can use static or dynamic library. It's better to use that static library. I don't think there's any like difference in performance, since it's just a linking between each other, but the compile time and like I believe the helper function that you can see all the names and all that kind of stuff much better visible. And also you don't need to do a bunch of I believe bunch of the DLL calls or methods and all that kind of stuff. So you can just do native C++ code with static library, which is awesome. Yeah, everything seems to work. Let's run this again. Check this out. Let's go to where are you? Let's do try to. Raya. Awesome. Very cool. Real awesome, yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next live stream when I do. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye everyone. Have an awesome evening or night or a day. Ciao.